I really am obsessed with shoes. If anyone knows shoes, trust me, it's me. I absolutely love these shoes. If you're looking for a comfortable, stylish sneaker, this is definitely the one for you. It's memory foam, air-cooled Skechers. They have a low back, so you don't have to bend over to put them on either if you don't want to. The detail is phenomenal. I mean, they've made so much attention to detail. Every little stitch, every little line, they're just beautiful from every angle. And they really and truly are a comfortable shoe. I really recommend these. I'm a US size 6.5 or 7 usually, and these are a size 7. So they really are a true to size fit. Very, very comfortable. I really do recommend these.